Hey guys, trust you're doing good. Okay, so I want to specially say a very big shout out to all of you who showed up for the Vibe show last week. It was really a bomb. If you missed the show, you actually missed a lot. But then don't worry too much because the season 2 of this show is actually popping up very soon. Notice about the show is going to be dropping very soon behind our platforms. So yeah, briefly, I want to say a very big shout out to some of the artists who performed in the show. Yeah, just a few special guys that made the show a wow. Yeah, just to mention but a few were King Toffee, we had Two Flex, we had Hituni, we had Oli Boy, we had Santa Fresh, the baddest rapper, we had Son Lu, we had T-Star, we had Rosta, and we had Royce on deck. These guys were really good. And then I will not forget to mention one very important person who actually made the show a very big one. Steel Boy, wherever you are, I want to say a special thank you to you. You are just the right guy for the job. Yeah, I said it. Yeah, sure. So you actually made the show a very big one. Yeah, one more person I want to talk about is my own brother who actually is a drink manufacturer. He manufactures a drink called Mash Brew Liquor and Mash Brew Bitters. If you have not tested this drink, I swear to God, you need to test it. So stick around our shows because this drink is actually coming up to be the official drink of all Vibe shows. And then lastly, I want to say a special thank you to all my crew who were there to support the show and made the show come out a very big one. Thank you so much because I could not have done it without you. My name is Elegant Fabio and I am the project director of this show. God bless you. Thank you very much for supporting us and see you at the other side of the show. Peace out.